Hello friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel UPSC with Basic Warriors. In this video, we are going to discuss the 7 December current affairs. The sources has been taken from the website of PIB, The Hindu and the Indian Express. Let's begin. Preventing malaria using genetically modified malaria parasites. These genetically modified malaria parasites, they do not cause disease. They instead prime the immune system during the initial stage of their life cycle in the liver. Now, what do you mean by prime the immune system? It means a process where a host immune system improve after an initial infection, resulting in better protection against subsequent exposure to pathogens. Rock bolt technology is in use, which is used in treating the active of the landslide zones in Uttarakhand. So rock bolt technology is related to landslides. World oldest known wild bird lays an egg in Hawaii at the age of 74. Wisdom de albatros is a type of bird. Remember this. India will soon emerge as the world leader in the maritime sector. Union Minister of Ports, of Shipping and Waterways, Kamaraj Port is in news, which is in Chennai. Now, Ashtlakshmi Mahotsav hosts exclusive investor roundtable. Ashtlakshmi refers to the 8 states of the northern east, often referred as the Ashtlakshmi or 8 forms of the prosperity, contribute significantly to the Indian cultural, social, and economic fabric. Now, Mule Hunter AI technology in news, which was released by RBI. Now, what is a mule account? A mule account is a bank account that is used by criminals for illegal activities, including the launderings of illicit funds. To handle the problem, RBI has launched a Mule Hunter tool. It will help the financial institution to identify mule bank account. It will curb the digital frauds. Now, what is Moir material? It is a superlative material with a unique structure and properties. Formed by alternating layer of materials, it exhibits superconductivity. Marburg virus diseases. Causative agent are Marburg virus and Ravin virus. People who are prolonged to the exposure mines or cave are inhabited by the Rossestes fruit bat colonies. So people who are working in the mines or cave which are inhabited by the Rossestes fruits or bat colonies have a greater chance of getting infected by the Marburg virus diseases. Transmission by human to human via direct contact, blood transmission, etc. Thank you.